Welcome to Global Impex, manufacturer and exporter of concrete mixer machines. The company was established in 2003 at Coimbatore. We have spread our wings to Canada, US, Australia, and other countries. Tamper-proof packaging, market-leading prices and spacious warehousing unit are the reasons behind our success. We offer a wide assortment of movable block, paver block, and earth compactor machines. Horizontal vibrating sieving, core drilling, and fly ash machines are superior in performance. We also provide brick machines, soil crushers, and cube molds that are highly efficient. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing global fan mixers, solid block cutters, and concrete vibrators. Our organization is highly involved in providing an impeccable range of screen vibrators, ASTM sieves, and concrete trolleys. Bulk handling conveyors and block machines for construction works are one of the best in the market. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.globalblockmachines.com.